Hi, I'm Todd Maltzon, real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway, and welcome to my open house, my virtual open house here at 531 Stover Street in beautiful Fort Collins, Colorado. Now, the reason we're starting our tour outside here today is because I want to point out some cool features about the house as well as the location. So, in this corner lot here, you can see that the home has been completely updated with landscaping. We've got a privacy fence here on the side of the home, as well as a partially fenced area on the back if you've got dogs, pets, or just want a private space. As well in the back, we've got a entertainment area that I'll show you later. But beautifully landscaped, beautifully updated home. As a matter of fact, the home has been completely remodeled and has about an additional 1,000 square feet from the original home that was built in 1908. So the other thing is, if you look down this street, we are about 12 blocks away from Colorado State University, so 12 blocks east of here and then 1 block up. And then if we come over here and we look down this street, that's Mulberry Street or Highway 14. If you take a right there and go west, about 4 miles, you'll hit I-25, so super convenient. And if you go the opposite way and take Riverside, which is the street up from there, you can hit Poudre Canyon in about 25-30 minutes, and you'll be in the heart of some beautiful mountains and a beautiful river that is really a special place. So now we'll go ahead and check out the inside of the home, and let's go. Hi. Now I'd like to show you the inside of the house. First, I'll just point out this beautiful patio where you can sit and enjoy a cup of coffee in the morning. Now let's come on inside. Inside leads into the family room, this beautiful family room, into this gorgeous kitchen and this beautiful Acacia hardwood flooring. Now on the right, you'll notice we've got an office. It might look a little crowded right now. That's just because both of my sellers are working from home with the COVID-19 stuff, but typically they've got a little bit more space in there. And then you got this beautiful family room, which leads into your dining area here and into your kitchen. You also have a bedroom here off the right, which has got a good amount of space, a nice TV mounted on the wall and closet. And you've got the main floor bathroom here if you want to take a peek at that. Now you'll notice the sellers did a great job matching that backsplash, the subway tile in the kitchen and in the bathroom here. And they separate it with a little bit natural slate there. So we'll come a little bit further in here. All these stainless steel appliances are included. You got the sunken range here, and you got the on-demand hot water, which is great for cooking. The other thing is that you've got the soft closing cabinets and the soft closing drawers, which is awesome if you've never experienced that. So we've got a pantry here for a little extra space. And then in here we've got our laundry room area. So you can come and check this out. This has also been beautifully done with hooks and hangers for your coats and stuff. And then you got a nice cabinet for all your supplies. So beautiful. And then this leads out into our entertainment space and the driveway, which we'll check out here in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to check out the top floor of 531 Stover Street. And here my sellers have made the entire thing the master suite. So if you come on in, you can take a look at the master bathroom here with this gorgeous tub, granite countertops, slate flooring, and with that, again, subway tile backsplash. In the master bedroom here, you can notice the 2 closets, one here on the side of the hallway, and then the walk-in closet here along with the bedroom. So I'll go ahead and get out of your way and let you check that out. And then we'll go downstairs and see the basement. Great, now we're at the basement here at 531 Stover Street, so let's check this out. The first thing that I'd like to point out to you is the movie theater room, and then we've got 2 nice sized bedrooms in here, and the first bedroom has its own walk-in closet. I'll go ahead and turn on the lights there, and you can check out the 2 rooms. That one has the walk-in closet right there. Ja. And that. And then lastly, you got a little area for a little art niche or some storage. Okay, now let's go outside and check out the entertainment area. Okay. Okay, now we're going to come on out and check out the outdoor entertainment area. I'll go ahead and shut the door. On the right, we've got the enclosed fenced area here where you could have your pet or just a private space. And then we've got our one car oversized garage with a keyless entry, which is really nice. The garage itself is almost 400 square feet, so it's got a nice little area where you can have a little shop too. Now here in this entertainment area is just fabulous. Just recently updated, and with a fire pit, and just all the landscaping has been nicely updated. You can see that you got just an amazing place to spend time out here and enjoy time with friends and family. Well, thank you so much for joining us for the open house at 531 Stover Street. Again, I'm Todd Maltzahn, real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway. And if you have any questions, just give me a call. My number is 970-286-5390. Thanks and have a great day.